Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning, a very good day. So today we will go through the topic called HTML, right? So what we will learn throughout the topic is I will explain to you the basic concept of HTML, and we will identify the elements and tag of HTML, and we will look into how the HTML is applied, okay, for in the document itself, right? So these are the topics, okay, subtopic of the HTML itself, right? So we look into what is HTML. HTML is a markup language in a computer language that use tags to define elements within a document, and it is human readable. It's actually you write the codes to give instruction to the web browser to display certain documents based on the structures that you have chosen. The two most popular are HTML and XML self. And HTML is a markup language used to create web pages, um, while XML is normally used to describe the data of the web pages, right? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's actually a primary language for the web. That's why it's a standard markup language. And the elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. So if you look at this one, you will see these are called the elements. The whole things here is called the elements, right? And normally elements are represented by tags. This is actually the angle bracket, open and close angle bracket, and that is actually represented when you saw that, you know that it's HTML. And normally it's actually in pairs, but sometimes they are called empty. There are tags that is called empty tags because it's actually work alone without you embedded it with the content. So elements also can have attributes. So these are actually you can see the elaboration of it. We have the elements, open and close tag, and we will embed it with, put the content in between of the tag, and sometimes it has the attributes. Attributes is actually it add up the value and add up the properties towards the elements itself. So the attributes could be varies, and normally attributes will have the attributes name with the equal sign here, and also the value that you want to put inside it. Okay, so that is attributes. It's additional information about for the elements. And most of the HTML, they should have a basic structure. So normally it's a normal one. You have to start with the HTML documents with the HTML and end it with the slash HTML, which means they have the HTML element with the open tag of HTML and close tag of the HTML. And inside it, part of it, they have a body, which it is visible part in the web browser. If you want to write something to be appeared in the web browser, like Chrome, you will see the results you have to put inside the body. So the structure it will be you have to open the HTML, and then normally you will have the head of the HTML to put the title for to be appeared in the title bar, and also the body of HTML, which whatever you put here will be displayed on the web browser. Okay, so this is another examples of HTML code. So just in short, HTML is actually a primary language of the web. It have a, element, text, and attributes, and it should you can arrange the structure of the content inside it. But if you want to make it more uh, beautifully displayed, you have to add it some CSS code in it. So that will be covered in the next topic. Thank you.